Four ways to optimize your hashtag strategy. Using Instagram hashtags is one of the easiest ways you can get your content in front of more people. But how many hashtags should you be adding to each post? And what should you be looking for when it comes to using the proper hashtags to use for your ideal audience? Hi, my name is Amit Dusu, and I'm a solar digital sales specialist. I help solar installers and consultants grow their sales using the power of digital. Now, today we're going to talk about the four strategies we can use on Instagram to increase using hashtags to increase sales. Now, number one, use all 30 hashtags. Instagram gives you the ability to use 30 hashtags because it gives you more opportunities to be discovered. Now, that is strategy number one. Now, tip number two for this is make sure that every hashtag that you use is relevant to your business and audience. If you're adding random hashtags, even high traffic ones like love, beautiful, cute, cutie pie, and things like that, that is not relevant to solar or your particular business, excuse me, it can seriously backfire on your business. So keep that in mind. Use relevant hashtags for your business. Number three, find relevant hashtags for your brand that align with your message. Now, for suppose you're a solar inverter manufacturer, so inverter people, inverters at solar inverters, best solar inverters. So something like that comes into play. Now, the point number two and point number three are relatively similar, but then the range is different. The first point is about a broader viewpoint. The second, finding hashtags, is about narrowing it down and taking care of your niche. Okay. Now, if you want to find these hashtags, suppose you're scrolling through and you find a hashtag that is relevant, click on it and see the relevant hashtags in Instagram. Instagram gives you that facility. So don't bang your head around where will I find them. This is the way to go for that. Okay. Now, point number four, check the volume per post per hashtag on Instagram. Now you will see that you will have a lot of hashtags that are high volume hashtags. For example, each hashtag has view of millions and millions, and they're very attractive. Oh, 5 million views, the 5 million people see this. But these kind of hashtags drown your post. Now, suppose that you are posting once a day or once a week, okay, with that particular hashtag. So your post would be drowned in the bulk of posts that use the same hashtag in matter of microseconds, not even 1 second. So I use the three-section strategy for my hashtags. I divide my hashtag 30 hashtags into sections of 10, 10, and 10. For 10, I use high volume. Yes, I also use high volume and risk getting drowned because of those. But at the same time, I also get the advantage of getting seen once in a while. Then I will use the middle range hashtags, the hashtags with a view range of 100,000, 200,000, 500,000. Okay. And then I'll use the low hanging fruit, the low number of hashtags, okay, with the range of about anywhere between 5,000 to 20,000. So I choose my hashtags. I usually use about 28 to 30 hashtags every time, and then I divide them. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to find a way where you will get these hashtags. So let me share a tool with you, which is completely free of cost, and it is the best hashtag tool that you will ever find. All you got to do is click, 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 copy, paste. Okay. So yes, it is that easy. So give me a few seconds. I'll just share my screen and then we will get onto it. One moment. So let me share the screen over here. Okay, I found this and I hope you can see this as well. So this is hashtag stack, hashtagstack.com. And what you do here is you just type the keyword that you're looking for. So let's say solar India, and see how many average likes do you receive per post. I would say about 20. And then let's search for it. Let's see what comes up. So here is a list of hashtags that comes up with Solar India. So Solar India is one, Solar India Expo is other, Solar India Polish, Solar India 2020, Solar Indiana. Okay, so these are the hashtags that come. There are about 12 hashtags and 10 are shown, so not very interesting. Let's try the hashtag solar itself, SOLAR, direct search. So when we search over here, okay, so here are some hashtags. There are about 55 hashtags that they show, and we will put it to 50, and let's see what comes up. Okay, so quite a few hashtags are actually over here. So first is solar. Now, as I told you, solar is a high value hashtag. It has 3.7 million posts made. So if you put one post from your side, it gets drowned. Okay, solar system, not exactly a hashtag that I would use because it gets confused with a lot of other things. Solar energy would be one, solar would be one, solar energy would be one, solar power, solar panels, then we can, solar panel would be one, solar PV would be one, then what? Solar screen, solar control, solar storage could be one. Okay, so similarly, you could kind of shift through these. I really like these hashtags with about, 15, 20, 30,000 views, because this actually gives you a better chance to show your content with this. There are a lot of people following this and they are underutilized. So select these. Now, basic game is here, this. Okay, there are 8 hashtags selected. All you got to do is copy. And since you've copied this, what I'll do is I will show you that we can paste it on something. Let me share my other screen with you. One moment, please. Here I press Control, or is it I press paste. Is paste anywhere? Nope, paste on it. So what I'll do is I'll press Control B. Here are your hashtags. All you've got to do is visit this website, check it out, and then get your hashtags done. It works every time. If you log in, you can store these bulks and batches directly in your system, and it can work really well for you. So basic deal, use hashtags properly. They are a boon and completely underutilized. Now, if you want to, as what I do is that I do strategy for solar companies. So if you want to jump on a call with me, there's a link in the description to set up a call. So like this post, share this with somebody who's interested in growing their business. And if you want to talk about how to build up your solar business and want to have a strategy session with me, click on the link and book a call with me. Take care. See you around. Bye.